Everyone, welcome to our video series on learning Angolan Portuguese for beginners. Our series for the level A1 consists of 50 lessons, and there are additional videos on vocabulary and grammar that you can learn on this series. You can also visit our page at patreon.com/Learn Angolan Portuguese to get free worksheets, transcripts, early access to our videos, and much more. Throughout the videos, we will follow this pattern. The word in Portuguese will appear in yellow, while the English translation will follow in red. In this lesson, you will learn some greetings in Angolan Portuguese. We will discuss different forms of greetings used in Angola. The greetings will give you an idea of the pronunciation in Portuguese. And to have a good command of the language, please repeat what you hear a few times. So, let's get started. Lição 1. Lição 1. One more time. Lição 1. Saudações. Saudações. One more time. Saudações. Olá. Olá. One more time. Olá. Olá is the most used form of greeting in Portuguese. Notice the difference in pronunciation. It's olá and not olá. The stress is in the last letter of the word. Olá. Bom dia. Bom dia. One more time. Bom dia. Bom dia is the most used form of greeting during the morning period, from waking up until noon. Remember, when you are greeting someone in Angolan Portuguese, it's very important to make eye contact. Bom dia. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. One more time. Boa tarde. Boa tarde is a greeting used to wish good afternoon. Boa tarde is usually used from noon until 6 p.m. Boa tarde. Boa noite. Boa noite. One more time. Boa noite. Boa noite is used to greet someone during the evening. Note that boa noite is only used to greet and not to say goodbye at night. Let's see the greeting used to say goodbye next. Feliz noite. Feliz noite. One more time. Feliz noite. Feliz noite means good night. It is a greeting usually used before going to bed. Feliz noite. Até amanhã. Até amanhã. One more time. Até amanhã. Até amanhã means see you tomorrow. It is a greeting used to say goodbye to someone when you expect to meet the person the next day. Até amanhã. Até logo. Até logo. One more time. Até logo. Até logo is another farewell greeting, but it's used when you expect to meet someone soon, most likely on the same day. Nowadays, some people also use this expression when they expect to meet someone in the near future. Até logo. Tchau. Tchau. One more time. Tchau. Adeus. Adeus. One more time. Adeus. Tchau and adeus are used as a casual and informal way to say goodbye to someone. It's a short and simple way to end a conversation or leave a situation. Unlike Feliz Noite, tchau and adeus are used to say goodbye at any time of the day. Well done! Now, I will summarize all the greetings and expressions we have learned in this video. Please repeat them after me. Here we go. Olá. Olá. Bom dia. Bom dia. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa noite. Boa noite. Feliz noite. Feliz noite. Até amanhã. Até amanhã. Até logo. Até logo. Tchau. Tchau. Adeus. Adeus. I hope these 8 greetings gave you a feel of the Portuguese language. Well done, thank you. We have reached the end of our lesson. Thank you so much. Feel free to watch the video again. Another video you could watch is the 15 most common phrases in Angolan Portuguese. You cannot miss out this video. The link on the video can be found on the description below. To practice what you have learned today, you can also download a free worksheet at our Patreon page, patreon.com/Learn Angolan Portuguese. You can also get access to our transcripts by becoming a Patreon member for just simply $5. If you have enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get all notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Tchau, até a próxima.